So here we have this Dowinx gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. There's a few pieces here. So let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. First, we're going to put together the aluminum base. This is pretty simple. Just take the 5 legs and snap them into place. Then flip it over and pop in all the casters. Then drop in the gas strut and put the cover over it. And now we're going to take the bottom seat cushion, pull out all 4 of these screws, line up this piece here with the threaded inserts, and then put all 4 of those screws back in. And here I'm just using the Allen wrench that came with it to make sure they're good and tight. Then attach this to the base, just drop it on top of the gas strut. Then we can drop in this metal bracket, make sure it's lined up, and put in the 3 screws. Then grab the backrest, line up the holes, and screw it in. Now we can attach this armrest, just 1 screw on the top and 1 screw on the bottom, and then you can pop in these plugs to hide the screws. Flip it over to the other side and do the same thing. And make sure these are really tight because you really don't want them to loosen up on you. And finally, we can attach these 2 pillows. For the bottom pillow, just take the top straps through these holes, then the bottom straps through the gap at the bottom, and then connect them together at the back. And the top pillow just gets connected together through these 2 holes. Alright, and there we go. That was really easy to put together, and I think it looks pretty cool. It also took just about 11 minutes. The chair has this nice sturdy aluminum base, then these casters that are a bit of an upgrade from the standard ones. It has a nice thick cushion. It's also pretty wide. Then the covering on this is just a faux leather. There's some carbon fiber accents along with this diamond stitch pattern. It looks pretty cool. These armrests also have a bit of cushion on them, that's nice. Then there's also this adjustable lumbar support pillow and this pillow for your neck or head. Also, if you plug this in, it'll activate the vibrating massager and this lumbar support. Nothing crazy, but it feels nice. My first impressions after sitting in this chair is it's actually pretty comfortable. Of course, there's this lever to adjust the height. Then the second lever lets you lean back in the chair just like this. Pretty comfortable if you want to lay back and relax, and I also like how these armrests move with it. The head pillow is also definitely nice when you're laying down. So yeah, I'm really happy with this chair. It's pretty comfortable and looks great.